Today what we're going to do is work on goalkeeper training, alright? We're not going to focus on technique so much. What we're going to do is focus on agility, speed, and focus, okay? So what's the number one thing with your feet, anyway, that you want to do?
You're on your toes.
Good. Alright. So go ahead and get in the goalkeeper. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm not going to just shoot balls at you. What I want you to do is turn around so that you're facing the other direction. So go ahead and do that. Okay? And now when I say go, I want you to turn as fast as you can because you're going to have to track the ball and stop it from getting inside the goal. Ready? Let's try it now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Good. Okay, so one of the things that we're looking for here is that typically when people are used to turning, they turn like this, right? Well, that's a little slow. So if we're on our toes, we can turn like that quick. So that's the whole point of it, that explosive turn. Okay, so let's try it one more time. And then I'll start kicking balls and you get completely turned around, no cheating. Ready? Go! See how fast that was? That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Remember, you can't turn until you hear me say go. Go! 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 Good. Go! Go! One of the things you're going to find out as a goalkeeper a lot too is that there are times when you find yourself on the ground, the ball deflects off of you, and you have to get up back on those feet and get ready for another shot, right? So basically we're going to do the same exercise we just did, but instead of you being turned around, now you're going to be on your knees. When I say go, you're going to jump up. All right, so let's try it in the goal real quick. Down, all the way, both knees, just like that. You don't have to be sitting on your butt. You can be like that, perfect. So this time when I say go, what are you going to do? You're going to jump to your feet as quickly as you can. Can you go faster than that? Let's try it again. Go! That's what I'm looking for, right? So you can get up on your feet and move towards that ball as quickly as possible. Now this is harder than the last one, isn't it? Like it's not just turning, and you're definitely going to feel those legs by the time we're done with the exercise. Kneel down. Remember, on your knees. There you go, just like that. And then when I throw that ball, what are you going to do? Now I'm not going to say go this time. You're going to have to watch for when the ball leaves my hand and be ready to run. Now we'll start out slowly, and then they'll get harder. Tired? Come on, stand up. The whole point is to stand up. Throw that ball back to me. Let's try that again. Good, good. It's going to teach your ability to move around goal, okay? Because seldom do balls just get shot from the center directly into you all the time. They're coming from the angles. Maybe you're deflecting a shot off and someone's taking a secondary shot. And so this is teaching you to move from one place to the other. So let's go ahead and take a look at the setup. So what we have here is we've got your blue cones, which are your goal, right? And then we got 3 yellow cones. Now the goalkeeper is going to move between these cones, and you'll notice from the outside that we have balls on all of the different corners. So typically this is a good exercise to do if you have more than one helper, okay? But since we don't, the coach is going to get a workout too, running between them, okay? So go ahead and get in goal, all right? And as I run from one set of balls to another, if I run here and pick up this ball, guess which cone you're going to go to? No, that cone. There you go. Because I'm going to throw it at you. And hopefully you catch it. Alright? Throw it back. If I run this way, exactly. You see how this simulates the run of a striker to take a shot? Let's catch those things. That's why you got hands. And then of course the other side as well. Okay, so we give it a try? Mm-hmm. Okay. Over your head. Not so easy, is it? And stop. A little bit easier. You don't have to run so hard. But it's going to simulate a one-on-one situation, right? So stand over there, right there. That's fine. What is good goalkeeping position? Let me see it. Okay. Maybe get those legs here. The legs want to be out a little bit. Okay. There you go. That's better, right? You make yourself look big, right? So that's what we're trying to simulate in a one-on-one situation. Now, what do I mean by one-on-one?
Goalkeeper and forward.
That's right. So everybody else just broke down. They're all in the back somewhere, and there's nothing but you and the striker and the net, right? And it's up to you to stop it. Now, what is it that a striker must do in order to score a goal? He's got to kick, right? In order to kick, your foot needs to leave the ground. So what you're looking for in this exercise is, as I move forward acting as the striker, that you're going to come forward at me as well, right up to the point where you see that foot come up, and then you're going to plant and get big. Get ready for the shot. Now we're not actually going to shoot, we're just going to focus on the actual exercise itself. Start moving forward, you're going to come out. What are you going to look for? My foot coming up. Right. Ready? Let's give it a shot. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Now, let's try to do it. Remember, when you're coming out, you still want to be big, but you're moving forward. It's when that when that foot comes up is when you want to stop and plant and get ready if you got to go one way or another or even into the ball. Okay, so make sure you're staying big and you do your duck walk. Good. One more time and then we'll actually take some shots at you. How's that sound? Stay planted. All right. One more time, then we'll take a shot. All right. Now this time I want you to try to actually tack me, okay? I'm coming at you. Here we go. ball. There you go. Well, at some point you just got to learn to take shots, right? So, just going to take a couple shots on you, see what happens. I'm going to try to keep them low for the most part so I can get you on the ground. Okay, that's what we're going to do.
Yeah, got it.
Let's do it. Right. First of all, when you're going to your weak side, the way that you drop is essentially this foot, your inside foot, is just collapsing while this foot is pushing out. So it looks like this.
Like this? If you guys put it out like this?
Just collapse one foot, so if you're going this way, that foot collapses and that one pushes off. Okay? The other thing that's important is how many hands do you have? Yeah. 2. Are you sure? No, you actually have 3. One of the balls that shot at you, you missed because you didn't use your third hand. So let me explain it to you. When the ball's coming in like this, right, you have your top hand, just slowing the ball down. You have your hand that's behind, which is keeping the ball from going that way into the goal. But your third hand is the ground. So you're driving that ball into the ground, so kick it. Kick it. Kick it. See that? It won't go anywhere because the ground's doing all the work. So keep that in mind. Let's shoot a few more on you.
Okay.
Leg collapse on the dive, especially to your weak side, and I want to see that third hand in play, okay? I'll know if you're not doing them right because the ball's going to go right through you, especially on the low shots. You ready? Let's do it. I think you just missed that one. Good jump though. Let me see that third hand. There you go. Good. Tools that I've seen for just training the hands for the goalkeeper is actually using a soccer sidekick or some sort of bungee ball. And basically the nice thing about it is it doesn't require anybody but yourself. You just put the bungee around your wrist, and you kick it, and you catch it. It gets you in that position where you can handle high balls, chest balls, even low balls. And the better you get, the harder you can kick it. And you don't have to worry about anybody but yourself. Not to mention when you're old like me, it doesn't take long to get a workout.